Coming through the A right now. On the way to the old block, Orlando. Go to safe places. Turn it down for that.
Y'all. Should they stop doing that dance? Boy, come on. Hey, y'all, it took... Y'all, it is packed in here.
It be swinging on boss.
Oh my God. Yeah, y'all, we record when we left Birmingham, so yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. We got Layla. I can put old man on there. We'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we finna go swimming in a minute. Yeah, it's like 2 shots, you know.
Take 2 more for me to pool.
Yeah. No, we not. No, we're not, y'all. So, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all everybody in a minute. If they wanna be on camera, they don't, then they don't, you know. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll be back when we get to the pool.
Tie shit.
I'm going down here. We'll just sit out here.
He been out here. I told you.
On the outside.
No, he in the inside.
So, there you go, Jay. I told you you're gonna be on my camera.
Man.
But he used to take off the road.
Hold on. That was because the light on now. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, it's gone now. Don't show me say you know how to swim, CJ. No.
Hit the dog paddle.
No, that's how you dog paddle.
They get the voices and the music and all that be on it.
Yes.
Okay.
What about the voices and the stuff that you listen with? Okay. All right.
Well, I'm just saying, both of y'all dudes trash. That's all I'm saying.
Bro, you play
Look at
Bro, all you do is play
He
Madden.
pissed. He finna cry.
I got a touchdown.
Marquise, you terrible. I beat you already.
What
Tell
are
him.
you talking about?
Bro, I wasn't even trying to. Today, you beat him too. You beat him too, David. But look though.
I beat everybody in the house.
He called him with you though.
I did good with him.
Yeah, exactly.
He beat my dad so bad.
But
you play Madden.
Who have 7 points? 7. Who have 7 points?
Yeah. But you was at the goal line though.
Bro, you play Madden.
Marquise, you suck. How you
I don't know how to
let
say
him score? This boy is terrible.
I love to get
He's terrible. He's terrible.
I got better, bro.
Oh, I beat him all the time. Tell him, CJ. Oh, God, dang.
Bro, you play Madden,
Let me tap.
bro.
Let me
You play
tap.
Madden every
Tell him I beat you all the time, CJ.
No.
Yo, you lying.
Bro, you like...
And now, Dwayne scared. He's scared to play me.
Oh.
You.
Nah, I whooped that ass too.
Who? No, never that. Never that. Never that.
I'm like C3, no?
Me and my twin, know we look like.
Oh, who is that? Oh,
Me and my twin.
looking like me out there, Marquise.
Run it back.
Look at him. He think he did. So look at
about 4 or 5 more.
Yeah, I catch him one of these days, man.
We'll see.
You know I went upstairs, right?
Don't you ever.
They call me Tank David, but I'm just built like a tank.
Hey. Don't do that. Let's see. Who y'all think gonna win? Him? Oh, him. Yellow shorts, yellow do-rag. All right, guys. Let's see who won. Is it him? Look at him. I don't think it was him. Is it him? He looked too heavy. I think it was him. Let's see. Who got the Eagles? Who got the Eagles, y'all? Uh-oh. Who got the Eagles? Who got the Eagles, Layla? Nah, I ain't right. She don't know. Who got the Eagles? You got the Eagles? You got the Eagles? Oh, my kids are terrible. He lost, y'all.
I ain't played Madden in a long time.
So you're winning, guys. If y'all pick yellow shorts, y'all was right. Dee, 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 dee. Oh, all right now. All right, look at it. Okay.
Explain to the camera why you had 4 Oreo cookies here and some shot glasses full of milk.
No, I didn't.
You gotta take them too?
No. We didn't even
They
get
taking
none.
shot glasses
We
with
didn't
milk.
even get none.
Milk and cookies full of shot glasses.
Y'all need some more
They trying to get milk.
Y'all could've.
She want a milk mustache, I don't know.
No, we didn't get nothing.
Yeah, I'm still investigating. All y'all go back.
We didn't
Back to the regular population.
We did it. What's that?
We in regular property.
So you ate the cookies?
No.
Milk and cookies? You want some milk and cookies?
No.
This the one who put the
Okay.
the stuff back. What you call it? The evidence.
Yeah, let's see here.
What you did, Mary? Oh, no, that's how I know they did, because the cookie was right here first. Now they here. Meatball.
I did not do
How
that.
many of those?
That was her.
That was
How many you had?
Hey, I ain't want no.
I seen you.
Cause I went
seen you.
upstairs.
I don't eat Oreos no more.
You eat Oreos.
I don't
And
want
you chips. Bag up.
told me to put
Bag
it
up. Bag up.
How you gonna tell me what I eat?
CJ, I went back
You had
upstairs.
Oreos too?
Exactly. And the baby did.
What about you back there, buddy? You too quiet for me.
I'm gonna have some chips.
Get here now.
I had went back upstairs.
They not even cold.
CJ, I had went back upstairs. I had went back upstairs.
Look at Uncle CJ.
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, he want y'all, guys. He want y'all. Let's go.
Live from the fucking bag. See how many they had. I know how many was in here. I counted. Because I wanted some. I counted. I what?
You big.
Place your feet, girl. Where your feet, girl? They got the same crowds. I know they've been stealing. Them basically the black forces. Oh my God, y'all did this much damage?
I didn't eat nothing.
One of y'all gonna be farting tonight.
I ain't eat nothing.
It's gonna be her. She gonna be farting tonight. She gonna be farting tonight.
Why you chose her?
Huh?
Why you chose her?
Because
Papa probably ate some.
I don't trust her.
Papa.
You gonna be farting too, Mary, because you put them back. You probably already farted.
Chrissy told me to put them back.
I should put him in the wrong spot. Cause I had went back
That was
upstairs.
right.
Okay, these better not be open yet.
I don't like
If these open, I'm coming for you, because you look like them.
Me?
Yeah.
Baby, what?
Chips Ahoy.
First of all, I don't even like
She
it.
likes your toy.
I don't even like
What
chocolate.
you doing?
I don't even
Hey,
like
Mary.
chocolate chip bookies.
Get them back here.
They can't eat none.
Y'all better have open these.
Put it back for y'all.
Y'all can't have all these fucking sweets.
I don't know who's thinking.
I didn't even have no sweet tea.
I don't like these. I don't like these.
You keep saying you like Oreo, but you steady taking the Oreo.
I don't like Oreos. I'm trying to put it back. I'm not supposed to be organized.
No, see, something wrong with you.
Smile. Let me see your teeth. Let me see your teeth. You should floss. You should floss. All right, stop.
What you gotta say, CJ?
I ain't
Good job.
I don't care. They in regular population right now. They gonna y'all going in the hole in the morning.
What you want me to put us in jail?
Yeah. Going in the hole. I'm gonna put you in that crib and lock the door. Ain't no Oreos in there.
No, not me.
My hair done, baby.
Yeah, tell them quit playing.
That's what I got.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. What y'all got? What y'all got? Yeah. Team yellow. Team yellow. Tell them Paw. What's up? It's pressed, my guy. You the only one pressed. Let's go. Who won? It's the yellow container. They got them some. They got the regular chips. The regular, what you call these?
Antics.
They regular. The vanilla wafer, regular. Popcorn, regular. Stella roll. Stella roll. Hey, he got some good cookies in this thing. No, ain't them laid chips. Put hot sauce on that thing. Go crazy. Red team went crazy though, I can't lie. Red team went crazy. They got cups in this thing, shot. Bad girl, shot a clock. They went crazy, I ain't gonna lie to you. And it not the regular, the party side Dorito. Let's go. They got the Gatorade in that thing, the chips, boy. These look open, but hey, we ain't gonna go there.
Open, don't do that, baby.
Yeah, cause you got on the red shirt don't mean speak. Don't mean speak. Alright, hey look, they done painted their Patron. Hey, you can't go wrong with it. They done painted the city red. Let go. They got them cheeses in that thing. Cheeses everywhere. Oh, they got pancake mix. You gonna eat good in the morning. They got the pancake mix. Crazy. They got the regular Pringles. Okay. Y'all be good though. Oh shit, this ain't the regular chicken. Hey, this that crispy, crunchy chicken, nigga. It crunch when you bite into it, my boy. Dun dun dun. Hey, I said y'all red people talk too much. Y'all red people talk too much.
Y'all ate the chicken.
No, what meat at? What meat at? That's what. Yeah, they got it. They got 3 people left. They started off with 16. All right, let's go to the orange team. They went crazy. The orange team went crazy though. The orange team went crazy though.
Where y'all get the cheese from though?
No, look.
Oh, okay.
Y'all red team talks too much.
It's in the rotation.
Hey, the orange team, they went Velveeta cheese. Nigga love Velveeta cheese. Nigga love Velveeta cheese. Hey, you can't go wrong with Velveeta. That's the best cheese for sure.
Show them ain't in there.
That red team talk too much. I keep telling y'all that. Speak when spoken to, goddammit. Hey, we went orange on the Patron. We got the idea from the red team. We went orange on the Patron. Hey, peanut butter cracker. Who don't love a good peanut butter cracker? If y'all want this in y'all lunch next school year, get at me. Get at me. See, we got Gatorade. You gotta stay hydrated, electrolytes. Alright, and we went Reese's Cook. That's the best chocolate.
And they got
spam the comments if this is the best shit. Get your regular hand out my goddamn bucket. Hey, ain't nobody go fruit. Nobody went fruit. We went fruit. Hey, nobody went mini shot glass. Nobody went mini shot glass. Nobody went mini shot glass. We in Florida, baby. We get oranges. Hey, let go. Hey, put them on for him. Put them on for him. Ooh, showstopper, girl. You look, body banging. Look at him. Jack, beauty of the week. Look at him. Let go. Hey. That's enough. Hey, to the blue squad. The blue squad cut up too. The blue squad cut up too. This is not regular. Alright, let's start up. They went Jolly Rancher.
You better get the leg.
Jolly Rancher top 5 candy for sure. Sour Patch Kid. Chips Ahoy. Nobody else went Chips Ahoy. Yours were open. Hey, we went Calypso. We went Blue Mountain Dew. This ain't the regular Mountain Dew. This is not the regular Mountain Dew.
They not open.
Shh. Speak when spoken to. Hey, I don't know what this is, but it look like a prime. So it's good. Hydration, nigga. Alright. We went Blue Fruit Rollers. I ain't know they made them shit though. Crazy though. Hey, she did not go regular. Hey, she did not go regular Pringle. These Philly cheesesteak for sure. Never seen those. Never seen the camera now. I'm telling you, I'm not regular. Zoom in on those. Zoom in on those. Zoom in, Victoria. There you go. Philly cheesesteak. Hey, and we got the blueberry Red Bull. Nobody's tired around here. Let's go. Hey, and she didn't go regular Oreo. These the thin ones. These ain't the one that stuffed crust. These don't fill you up like that. These, hey, you keep your weight down. Let's go. Hey, the color party was a success. Appreciate y'all for watching. Everybody tell them to go. See y'all later.
Hey! I'm finna run and then let me do it.
Hey, YouTube.
What's that candy bar, alright? Y'all look.
They been doing candy ball.
Hey, this for y'all, YouTube. Hey, look, I'm gonna do it like
Wait, hold on. Hunter, you gonna do like what?
like this. Like when I'm in the air, I'm gonna do this.
Okay, we'll see. Hold on. Go, Jamie.
For YouTube.
It's gonna be lame.
Jameer is in the way. Come on, Marquis.
Oh, hey, y'all, watch out. Oh,
Yeah.
Alright.
Better freeze in here. Now,
You lied, Marquis. You lied.
I'm finna Dang, it's all
Like when you jump, you jump.
Yes, it's gonna be I'm finna dive in.
Come on here.
Nah, alright.
No.
Wait, I can't spell. Yeah.
You using this smack shooting at the dude.
I said, ooh, baby.
I got the best dreads.
Where you gonna dress?
Look, show them
You like my bun? Yeah, quit playing. Stop playing.
Long dread. How you get one dread, Jamie?
Right.
Somebody twisted like one whole.
It's a twist. Anyway, yeah. Tell them how you feeling.
Hi.
Kids, don't do drugs, kids. Don't do drugs. I should let this door open. Yeah, y'all. We just got the pool. Well, I ain't getting the pool for real, but I got the jacuzzi. Yeah, everybody tapping out. Yeah, y'all, we out.
Taste test 1 out of 10.
Somebody take this junk off. Hey, record. Come on, Snake. Come on. Show one, just a piece.
I don't like people.
No, hey, YouTube, please. Marquise, don't run.
Let me drink the juice.
Come on. No.
I'm finna go eat some.
No, come on.
That might smell, but they good.
Man, I swear I was
Hold on, baby.
Don't get a hole with me. Jameer, cut the face.
If you spit it out,
You throw it away.
yeah, I'm
Throw it
not.
away, Marquise. It's sour.
But all it is eggs and vinegar.
For real. Put it back.
It's because he a bit bad.
You smell that?
Oh, yeah.
It's extra salt and
Because I can handle that. I taste.
So you gonna try it? Just a bite.
Vinegar is not salt.
Come on.
There go.
It's already tied up, but she was trying to.
Yes.
Ooh.
Man, that shit suck.
I know.
Oh my, but why you and mom always, you, mom, whoever, somebody else burp like mom, but y'all all burp like mom. Mom burp like a gremlin.
Because he's talking gibberish.
I don't know what I'm saying, boy.
He's talking gibberish. This is 3rd grade.
Camera woman, whatever. How are you keeping your words to yourself?
I'm a camerawoman for
You know who you talking to? A 5-star.
a nobody.
15 offers.
I'm talking to a nobody.
Okay.
The pineapple eating me back.
Eating you back.
My tongue tingle.
I know, that's the
I know.
She's a tongue thing.
Who put this right
I'm
here?
recording for a reason.
Me, you said you need a spoon.
I'm glad I'm recording.
Natural Centos. Take pee, how you
Did I make my money? My fucking water.
I need it in the morning.
Boy, that boy down the fire chicken.
Attitude, walk off. Attitude, walk off. Attitude, walk off. Attitude, walk off. We can go sleep, son. We can go to sleep. Later, turn later. Later, turn around.
I'm gonna calm down.
we ain't go to like 5 o'clock this morning. Oh yeah, you was over there too, Marky.
Oh, it's over
Yeah,
there.
Jay.
Yep. Oh yeah.
We ain't go since like 5 o'clock this morning. Put some cheese and we gotta put some sugar in them. Yeah.
Sugar on your own plate.
Yeah.
But I don't gotta use sugar and grease, but you can shot it.
You don't put sugar in your grits. That's the best way. Use it. Move. Move.
Everybody starts. Stop showing.
Come on. You did all that to get spot.
We only got like 10 more.
I hit that bit hard as fuck.
Jay, you do. You do.
Yeah, that boy.
I think a good 600. CJ, you let come on, you let him.
I'll do it again.
You let Jay beat you. You let Jay get you.
Good, bro, right now. Just go ahead. That shit weak. That shit was oh so weak.
I
Yeah.
know, I got it.
That shit. Come on, so Christian finna bless this bitch. Hey, bro.
Don't listen. Oh my God.
That shit was weak as fuck.
No, she got though. She got more than me. I got more than everybody.
Might not lie.
So basically, you don't have to hit it hard.
My wrist messed up. I can hit it.
But I'm not fine.
She got more than Christian now. She like to throw a shoulder off in that bitch. Yeah. 60 left. Not bad.